Mother Goat took a basket and went out, but the big bad wolf was not far away and saw her leave.
What is it doing for me?
The big bad wolf ran quickly into their cage and knocked on the door.
Open the door, my dear kids. It's your mother. I am back and have got something tasty for you.
No, we won't open the door. You are not our mother. Your promise is soft, but yours is hard and deep. You are the big bad wolf.
The big bad wolf was angry. He ran to the shop to get some chop and ate it. His voice was soft and smooth. He didn't the cage.
Open the door, my dear kids. It's your mother. I am back and have got something tasty for you.
But the kids saw the wolf's black feet under the door.
You are not our mother. Have a feet are black. You are the big bad wolf.
The big bad wolf was furious. He ran to the baker's to put some flour on his feet and make them white.
Open the door, my dear kids. It's your mother. I am back and have got something tasty for you.
His voice was soft and smooth. His feet were white, so the kids opened the door. The wolf was quickly jumping into the cottage. The kids were terrified. In different places. The big bad wolf ate 6 of the kids, but he couldn't find the 7th one. He was hidden in the clock. He quickly ate the 6 little kids and went out to rest under the tree. He soon fell asleep. When Mother Goat got home, everything in the cottage was a mess. She was shocked. Then she found the 7th kid.
Oh, Mom! It's horrible! The big bad wolf came and ate all the others.
Then they saw the big bad wolf sleeping under the tree. In his big belly there was something moving.
Run home and bring me a packet of scissors, needle, gun.
Then she cut open the wolf's belly and the 6 little kids jumped out. They were well and happy to see their mother.
Hey kids, bring as many stones as you can. We will fill the wolf's stomach with stones. We will be
The kids brought a lot of stones and they put them into the wolf's belly and Mother Goat saw it up while he was deep asleep. When the wolf finally woke up, he was very thirsty. He walked to the well to drink some water.
What's wrong with me? I thought I'd had the little kids. I feel like stones.
When the wolf got to the well and went to drink, his little belly